Folks, welcome back to the Sawmill. It's been a while since we've been on the big camera, but we're back and we're still working on chicken pen. Anybody that's been following us on our shorts will know we've got a lot of work put in that chicken pen. Now we're just down to cutting some one-by material. So windy out here today, I don't be able to talk much, and most people will be real happy with that. But we're gonna set the camera up. We're gonna cut a few boards. I already got a nice size cant right there. She's about 8 by 9. We're gonna see what we can get out of it. Get it up there and nail those on. We're just kind of going piece at a time right now because of work that's still kind of holding me up, my regular day job. But we're gonna jump on the saw and HM130Max Woodland Mills. Everybody loves them. Great saws. Can't say enough about them. We got a brand new Ripper 37 put on there. We bought from Jerry's Resharp. If you don't know those guys, boy, they are the best. So let's jump in. Let's get some sawing done. Alright folks, today is a real short video. It's real windy out here. You won't be able to hear very much of what I got to say, but all I'm going to tell you is today's all about how a sawmill can really be beneficial and improve your life. If you own one and you have a little farm, a little homestead or something like that. Most of you have been following along with our shorts on this whole chicken pen build. Or as my son and some others call it, the Chicken Emporium. Yeah, we probably overbuilt it, but that's how we do it. Just gonna kind of let you follow along with the video because here comes the wind again. right, folks, we're going to wrap it up for today. We got a lot of cleanup to do, and just want to make this video about, it's really all about how to make a sawmill work and make it valuable on a farm or a small homestead like I have. When we buy a sawmill, all of us want to make $1 million cutting slabs and beautiful specialty pieces, but the practical nature is they are very valuable, working for your neighbors, working for yourself, making very practical things. In this case, a chicken emporium, as it's being called around some of the community, I suppose. I want to thank everybody who subscribed lately via the shorts that we've been putting out. If you haven't seen the shorts, I would maybe ask you to go over there and take a look at those if you want to see more about the build. I want to thank my son for coming by here today and doing a lot of work with me to get me as far along as I did. And my good friend One Shot Scott, he came by and made sure the wire got on there nice and tight. So big thanks to everybody. If you enjoy kind of what we're doing on the practical nature of using the sawmill around a farmstead, we would love to have your subscription and like and subscribe if that's the case. Until we get started back tomorrow, we'll see you soon.